This is how the Mighty Sound of Maryland does the forward march. We're going to demonstrate an 8-count forward march at a standard 8 to 5 interval. Ready? Forward, march, check, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and close. Now we're going to break it down by the counts. Our forward march is a roll step that glides. We do this to make sure that the impact of motion is absorbed in the legs, and the upper body stays still while we're playing and moving at the same time. On count 4 of the command, we're stationary. We say check to remind ourselves that we don't move, and the next motion comes on the and of 4. On the end of 4, the left heel is picked up and then start to move forward so that it will land 22.5 inches in front of where it started, a standard 8 to 5 step. All the weight is supported by the right foot because the left foot is in the air. On count 1, the heel places, but no weight is transferred yet because that doesn't happen until the and of the beat. Our body motion pushes through the ands of the beats. All weight is on the right foot, the heel is touching the ground with the toe as high as possible. On the and of 1, the left foot rolls through, and the right foot comes up and is now crossing halfway where the ankles are crossing. We use that term a lot. It is on its way to land 22.5 inches in front of the left foot. It leads with the heel, and the toe is as high as possible, and kept as close to the ground as possible, about 1 inch. On beat 2, the right heel lands, but no weight is transferred yet because it won't move until the and of 2. Heel is on the ground, toe is as high as possible, left foot is flat. On the and of 2, we roll through, and now the right foot is supporting the weight, and the left foot is halfway, with the ankles crossing, leading with the toe, and it will land on beat 3. So now you just repeat that process out until the forward 8. So now we will demonstrate that one more time. So now after breaking down the forward march by 8 notes, we'll be able to produce the perfect roll step that glides. We're going to absorb the impact of motion with the legs and keep the upper body stable while we're doing the whole forward march. So here's another forward march 8 at an 8 to 5.